Today we'll talk about how can you explore free lesson on your Cambly app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on line down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on explore free courses here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on get it here. So then here can you uh, just go down here, and here can you select here if you want to pass a conversation topics here. So or here can you want to business English, and here can you select here your free listen courses here in this list on your Cambly app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.